This tree here was planted when my children were very small. They were really tiny, and we used to plant in these whiskey barrels that were half barrels, and this tree was in that barrel, and it just started from a little seed, and then the boys end up putting water into the water barrel, and we were planting flowers, and all of a sudden we end up with this tree here. So just from a little seedling. This tree, after using the liquid TNT, it took off. And so as you can see, there's so many leaves here on each branch. And if you look at the trunk of the tree here, you can see what this liquid TNT is doing for this tree, providing the nutrients and all the good stuff that the tree needs at this time. And because of the leaves, it provides some good shade for all the little critters, the lizards that end up running around here in the sand. They like to come over by this tree to receive some shade and to cool off under here. So this tree has really done well with the good nutrients that it's getting at this time, providing all the shade.